Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. Today's very easy puzzle is called Redirection 2 by PageDo, and here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9-cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. Or I should say that, yeah, that's fun. There is a single gold line on the 9 by 9 Sudoku grid. Diamonds on the line break the line into segments. Digits cannot repeat within a segment. So this is a segment and you can't have repeats on the segment. This is a segment, you can't have repeats on the segment, etc., etc. And digits on the line increase or decrease in value. And diamonds reverse the direction of the digits. Increasing digits will be decreasing after the diamond, or vice versa. So that means, let's give an example. Say this was increasing this way. So say we had 1, 2, 3, and then 5 and 8. From this point in the diamond, you must be decreasing. So you would have to be, could be like 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and well, that doesn't work, 1. But it would always be decreasing on this segment. So on a certain segment, you're either increasing or decreasing. And once you hit a diamond, you'll swap. So you'll go from increasing to decreasing or decreasing to increasing every time you hit a diamond. Where the line intersects with itself, the two straight line segments cross. So you cannot go 6, 4, 3 to there and then go to there. It has to be basically, the segment is essentially going along this path here. And then you go along this path here to here to here. You cannot do something like funky, like going here. Oh, I have a cross, I go that way. No, it just goes straight through. So there's that. And then finally, we have digits and cells joined by an X sum to 10. And digits and cells joined by a V sum to 5. Digits and cells joined by a white dot are consecutive, and not all X's, V's, or dots are necessarily given. So, for example, if this were, say, a 3 here, this would have to be 2 because there's a V in between them, so they must add up to 5. This would have to be 7 because there is an X between them, and they must add up to 10. If, say, we had a 6 here, this would have to be 5 or 7 because these digits must be consecutive with each other. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay, let's basically choose one segment and make it a color. And then we'll make the other segment a color so we know whether they go up or down, right? This is 1 through, actually, we don't even have to do that. This is 1 through 4 here. So this must be, and this is adding up to 10. So this must be 6 through 9 to add up to 10 here. So this must be increasing this way. I guess we'll do whatever we're doing in the clockwise direction. So clockwise, this is increasing, right? Because these are 1 through 4, and this must be 6 through 9 here. Obviously, this can't be 1 because if this were 1, there's no digit that's smaller than it. And this can't be 9 for the same reasoning. So this will be increasing clockwise. This is decreasing. We hit a diamond. This is increasing. We hit a diamond here. This is decreasing. Diamond here, increasing. Diamond here, decreasing. Diamond here, increasing. Diamond here, decreasing. Diamond here, increasing. Diamond here, decreasing. Diamond here, increasing. Then decreasing here. Increasing here, decreasing here. Increasing here, and decreasing here. Interesting. So this is decreasing. So this is also 2, 3, or 4. This is decreasing. So therefore this, well, okay. In any of these lines, you can never have a 1 or a 9. Oh, that's interesting. So anything that's in between diamonds can never be 1 or 9, because you're always going to be bounded by a 1 or a 9. So this can't be 1 or 9. It has to be then a 2, 3 pair, because this can't be 1 or 9. So since this is a 2, 3 as a pair, this can't be 2 and 3. Therefore, this must be 1 and 4. That makes this 6. This is less than 4, so it's guaranteed to be 2 or 3. Well, to add up to 10 here, this must be decreasing. You can't have 1, 2, 3, or 4. So it can't be 6, it's 7, 8, and can't be 9. So this is 2 or 3 there. So we have 7, 8 here. This is decreasing from that. So 6 up to 7, 8, or 9. This digit is greater than that, so no 7 there. This digit is less than that. This is decreasing to a 2, so this is 3 at least, 4. But this could be 6, 7, right? We have 2 digits that are greater than it, so it's only 3, 4, 6, 7, and this is 3, 4, 6, 7. This is greater than this. It cannot be 4 or 6. So this has to be at least 5, 7, 8. It cannot be 9. And then this has to be greater than 5, so that's 6. Decreasing from this, it has to be at most a 7, cannot be 6, it could be 5, 4, 3, because it has to be less than 2 or 3. This is 1 or 2 here. And it cannot be 2 because of the 2, 3 pair in the row, so this cannot be 2 or 3, it's 1. This is increasing here. This is at least 3. It cannot be 4. Could be 6. Cannot be greater than 6 because we have 3 digits greater than it. So it's 3 or 6 here, which means this is 7 or 4 here. This cannot be 4. It's at least 5. It has 2 digits greater than it, so it's 5, 6, 7. 2 digits greater than that, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, and 9. And this decreases there. This is less than that, so it's 1 less than that, so it's 4, 5, or 6. This is decreasing. It's at most 5, cannot be 5. So this has to be 2, 3, or 4, which makes this 6, 7, or 8. That leaves this as 1, 2, 3 here. This can't be 1, 2, or 3. This is greater than that, so 2, 3, 4, or this has 2 digits 3 digits that it's smaller than. So it's 2 through 6. This can't be 3, it's 4, 6, or 7, because this has 2 digits smaller than it. This is at most 8, and it has to be at least 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 through 9 there. This has to be 7 with 3 or 4 and 6. Where are the 8 and 9 in row 7? Cannot be here, here, or any of these, so this has to be 8 or 9 here, and this has to be 8 or 9 here. This is decreasing going this way. So 9 to 8. This is less than... This is going to be increasing to here. So this cannot be 8, which means that can't be 2. But the problem is this must be smaller than both of these, right? It's decreasing from here, and it's increasing this way. So this cannot be 8. It has to be 7 at most, which means this can't be 7. This is 6 because it's increasing this way. So then this is 6, this is 4. This must be 7, be greater than 6. So this has to be coming down from 4. So no, this is 5, or this can't be 7. This is 5, 6 is a pair. This must be decreasing this way. So this is 6, this is 5. Which eliminates 5 from being here. 6 eliminates 6 from being here. So this is 3 and 7 adding up to 10. 3 eliminates 3 here, so it's 2 and 8 adding up to 10. 8's less than 9, so this is 9 here. This can't be 7 or 9, it's 8 here, which means this is 5, 6, and 7 to be consecutive and less than 8. No 7, 6, or 8 here, so this is 5, which means this is less than that, so it's 4. This cannot be 4, 5, or 6. It's less than 4, so this is 3, 2, or 3. This is 1 or 2. You have 7 here. 4 and 6 is here. This is 2, 3 as a pair. This can't be 3 or 4. It's 7 here. 7's consecutive with 6 here, so that's 4 there. This is decreasing from here, so this cannot be 5 here. No 6 here, no 7 here. It's 8 or 9. This is decreasing from this. Cannot be 6, so it's 5 at most. Makes that 4 at most, 3 at most, 2 at most, and 1 at most. And it has to be that digit because those are the digits that must be there for this to decrease correctly. Okay. 2 eliminates 2 here. This is 1 and 3. This must increase from here. And this is at least 2. This cannot be 3. It could be 4, but if this is 4, it has to be consecutive here, which doesn't work. So that means this is minimum 7, this is 8, and this is 9, so that's the guaranteed. So this is 7, 8, 9. We don't know what this is. This could be 2 through 6, but no 3 and 4, so it's 2, 5, and 6 there. This is decreasing there. No 8, 7, 6, 5, or 4, so this is 3 at most. That means this is 2 at most. 1 and 2, 2 and 3. This is increasing now. This is greater than 1. So it's 2 or 3 here. Cannot be 3. It's less than 4. So this must be 2. So we have 2 here. This is 3. That's 1. 8 here eliminates 8 here. So it's 9, which makes this 8. This cannot be 1, 9, 2, 8, or 3, 7. So this is 4, 6 as a pair. Remaining digits in column 5 are 1 and 8. 1 again cannot be on these between the diamonds. So this has to be 8. This is 1. This is less than 8. Cannot be 7. Cannot be 6 or 5 or 4. So this is 3 at most, which means this has to be greater than that. So this must be 2. So we have 2 here, 3 here, 2 here. That makes us 3 here. That takes us down to 1. This can't be 2. None of these can be 2. Where's 2 in this central box? It must be here. It's increasing here. This remaining digits in the central box are 6 and 9. Again, 9 cannot be on the line. So this is 9 and this is 6. This must be greater than 6, so it's 7 or 8, which makes this 8 or 9. We are guaranteed it. 9 eliminates 9 here, so this is 8, which makes this 7. That makes this 6 or 8. It cannot be 8 because of 8 in the column, so this is 6. This is decreasing from here. Remaining digit in this lower central box is 4. In this lower right-hand box is 5. In column 6, we are left with a 5, and this digit must be greater than 5 because it's decreasing to the 5, so this is 6 and that's 4. That leaves a 9 remaining in this box. 6 eliminates 6 here. This is decreasing from 5 to 4, 3, 2, 1, and so therefore this must be 4, 3, 2, 1, because there's no other way to be decreasing all the way down here. This is increasing to that. We don't know what it is. 9 eliminates 9 here, so that's 8, which makes that 7. So this is increasing from 4, and it cannot be 1 or 2, so this must be 3. This must be decreasing from 3, or to 3. So this has to be, this could be up to 9. So remaining digits in row, okay, well, this can't be 9 here, so this has to be 9 here. So this is 2, 5 as a pair in row 2. Remaining digits in row 1 are 6 and 7. This can't be 6 because of 6 in the box, so that's 7, which makes that 6. That leaves that as a 4 there. Remaining digits we have are 5 and 8 in row 3. This can't be 8 because of 8 in the row, so that's 5, that's 8. And the rest we do with normal Sudoku. Okay, remaining digit in row 8 is a 9. Remaining digit, this has to be 5 in row 6. That leaves in this right central box a 9, or column 7 a 9. Remaining digits of row 4. We have 5 and 7. And 7 cannot be here because of 7 in the column. So this is 5, and this makes that 7. 5 eliminates 5 here, so it's 2 and 5. Remaining digits in column 1, we have 2 and 8. 2 cannot be here because of 2 in the box, so this is 8 and 2. That leaves this digit as a 9, and we have a 3 remaining, which leaves us a 1. And that's the solution. Yeah, I hope this made sense about how I attacked this. It's fairly straightforward because basically you have to alternate between increasing and decreasing, and we know this must be increasing here, so this must be decreasing here. So then you sort of think of these as like thermometers, little small thermometers going along the path. And that simplifies things quite a bit. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn How to Sudoku, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.